Hey, what's up you guys? Tyson Dela Cruz here. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you're new to this channel is all about mindset, lifestyle, and entrepreneurship. In this video, I'm going to break down 10 things to do when you're bored. I get it, some of you might be bored out of your freaking mind. I get it. Are you suffering from a lack of excitement or things to do? Because kind of we all are, a little bit, right? Or just me? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 10 things to do to kick that boredom in the ass.
What are you doing?
That's how I roll.
Number 1. A lot of you guys watching this are entrepreneurs or have your own businesses or looking to start your own business. This is a great opportunity to build your personal website or business website. And you can do this for under $50. $50! Creating a badass website will replace any business card. Those things just sit in the back pocket and get ass sweat on them anyways. If you haven't bought a personal domain yet with your name or your business name, you get to. All you gotta do is just go over to GoDaddy and you can purchase that sucker. Then you can use any platform like a WordPress, Wix, or anything like that. They have a bunch of free themes that you can use to create and customize your personal website. Be sure that that website is incredibly sexy for mobile application. Tip number 2, meal prep. Get your food all laid out and create some easy grab and go items for the week. I just like to grab something out the fridge, heat it up, and eat it right away. Meal prepping either with your spouse or by yourself is another way to tap into deeper notions of self-love and also provide your future self with some fulfilling, beautiful nourishment. Tip number 3, clean out your old clothes. All those clothes that you've had in your closet for 10 plus years. Some of you might even have your high school t-shirts and sweaters still. Get rid of that crap. Another person's trash is somebody else's treasure. This is a great opportunity to donate this to charities or people that actually need those clothes. So not only are you making somebody else feel incredibly valued, but you're also decluttering your closet. Tip number 4, start a new business. Whether you've already have existing businesses or you've been on the fence about starting your business, this is a great opportunity to dive in and do the work. Doing action allows you to create more momentum. Tip number 5, get a new hobby. Whether that's, making trains, doll houses, RC cars, learning how to paint, learning how to draw, learning how to knit, learning how to sew, learning how to make dough. Dude, I sound like Dr. Seuss right now. Learning a new hobby or diving into your pre-existing hobbies allows you to tap into the creative aspects of life. Gives you a little bit more balance. Tip number 6, binge watch TED Talks. I cannot tell you how many TED Talks I have watched in my lifetime. TED Talks are so incredibly valuable, and every time you finish those 6-minute videos, I come out educated AF.
You caught me. I like to break a mental sweat too.
I can drop facts on y'all mother effers like nothing. Binge watching TED Talks not only allows you to absorb new information, but also be educated on your existing subjects or business. You can mix it in between binge watch and reruns of The Office.
Hey, it's happening! Everybody stay calm!
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Tip number 7, plan for the future. Grab a journal and start visualizing and writing down how you want your life to be and feel 3 to 5 years from now. The things you'd like to accomplish in 3 years, who'd you like to be in 3 years, how much money you'd like to have in the bank, what type of businesses you'd like to have, and then create some actionable items to actually reach those goals. If you guys want more information about how to plan for your future, in the link below, I have the 8 equities and a letter from your future self to your present self. Check it out if you want more information. Number 8, reconnect with an old friend. Reconnect with somebody that you lost contact with, or somebody that you've thought about in the last couple months but you didn't text them or call them. Not only is it going to be incredibly beneficial and they'll be happy to hear from you, but it's also amazing for your soul. We're almost done here, guys. Number 9, try a new gym or even start going back to the gym. When it comes to trying a new gym, a lot of gyms now are giving away 5 to 7 day free, that's right, free passes for you to actually try it out and experience something new. Last but not least, tip number 10, visit a flea market or antique shop. A lot of these swap meets, flea markets, antique shops have some really kick-ass items. You can find some really cool stuff for either your next staging project, you can paint an existing piece of furniture, you can find a lot of hidden gems for an incredibly discounted rate, and you'll have an amazing time expanding your creative mind. I recently did this a couple weeks ago. I visited a flea market and it was just so visually and energetically stimulating that I got to see a bunch of different things for incredibly cheap. Check out your local flea market, swap meet, or antique store. So there you guys go, top 10 things to do to kick boredom in the ass. If you like this video, please go ahead and click that thumbs up button down below. And I want to know if you visited a flea market or an antique store and you got something freaking dope, leave that in the comments below as well. If you feel that somebody is going to resonate with this content, please go ahead and share it with them. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, you get to, and be sure that your notifications are turned on. Guys, as always, I hope you have a phenomenal day. Be kind, rewind. Peace.